We are here to witness Gideon's exhibition done by JACCD. Today is their open day, and we were invited by the registrar, Antiakusia, and then Gideon himself. We are the parents. He is Mr. Jonas Tetanemo, and I'm Mrs. Soliano.
What program is Gideon doing?
It's graphic design and photography.
What were your expectations before he enrolled on the program?
Actually, we look at him and we realize he likes things that he wants to do with his own hand. So we asked him what are his expectations. And he said he would like to do graphic design and photography. So that is his choice, and we think we have to help him to pursue what he wants to do.
So seeing his exhibition today, what's your general thoughts and feeling?
Gideon has done so very well. At least since we brought him here, and looking at things that he has done marvelously well. He has come out with T-shirts with his logo printed on it. Actually, he has done the SRC logo for the school. He has come out with exercise books, then banners and some ID cards, and then so many things, which if I want to mention, he will not live here today. So I think he has done so well, and kudos to him and the school.
So would you recommend this program to anyone?
Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Oh yeah, if I will recommend any school, is JACCD, Joyce Abobio Institution.
And what would you tell the tutors and faculty that supported his ambition to be a graphic designer?
Yes, actually we need to commend them for the good job they have done. We didn't know if they can even mold him into this level. So we are so much grateful, and we say God will bless them for the marvelous work they have done.